Okay, okay.
Yeah, so first of all, good morning.
Yeah,
Good
good
morning.
morning. How are you,
Yeah, so
brother?
I'm fine, I'm good. And how are you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Happy Holy, brother.
Okay, same to you, brother, same to you.
Okay.
And everything
So,
going good?
yeah, absolutely. It's really normal.
Uh,
It's going
yeah,
on
that's
normally.
great, great,
No problem
great,
at all.
great. Yeah,
So,
yeah,
uh, can you share me
yes,
something about yourself?
yes, 100%, 100%. So my name is Shyam and I'm living right now in Ghaziabad district. So this is in state of UP, and after that I am working here in a company like a restaurant, and I have passed my BA. At that
Mm-hmm.
time, I took a subject of my English and geography, and after that, and after lockdown, I thought I was weak in English, so that time I was nothing just like in English. So that time I started my journey in August of 2020 something. So that
Mm-hmm.
time, since then, I'm continue practicing with
That's
learning
good.
and
That's
reading
good.
just like these things. And nowadays, I'm very passionate. I'm very serious about learning English. So that's
Okay.
why I'm really making, yes, I'm daily conversation just like voice, sometimes video, and
Mm-hmm.
shoot own video in English language. Then I
Okay,
upload on my
fine.
YouTube channel.
I'm totally
Yeah.
happy. I'm really happy to talk with you because you are also thinking very aggressiveness. You are still speaking very well. I'm happy again because you also working same way. Oh, this is really gonna helpful for lots of students. So this is really good platform to learn. This is really good for mutually how to speak, how to get a
Yeah.
confidence in English. So this is
Yes,
great.
sir. Yes,
So
sir.
brother,
So before,
tell me.
okay, okay. Before I came here 3 or 4 years ago, so that time I have joined many other companies. What that time I was weak in English. What that time I
Mm-hmm,
have had my BA degree. But
mm-hmm.
many company and a lot of private sector they demand English. So that time I did
Okay.
not get a good job. But still I'm not happy with my. I'm not satisfied because
Mm-hmm.
I'm just learning, and after that
Yep.
while speaking and when getting more fluency and good communication, then I will
Yeah.
join another company and I will put
Absolutely. You.
myself in the interview in front of interviewer. So that time I
Okay.
will check my yeah, quality
Yeah.
of
That.
speaking. Yes, sir.
Yes. Absolutely. Absolutely. I'm. I wish you will. Good. I wish you will be happy with your work in future. I wish if you chance or you definitely enhance your qualities in front of interviewer. So this is
Thank
great for you. This is great for me also because I also talking to you because you are as my friend. So it's really fortunate for me to at least I talk to you.
you. Yes, sir. Yeah,
Yeah. So,
great, great.
brother, have you used any payable application like Clappingo or Camly? If you have the knowledge,
No,
something
no,
like
no, brother. No, brother. So first of all, only I satisfy with my free of cost learning
that. Hmm.
because I am highly impressed with free of cost learning, just like without paying many application available on Google Play Store. And after
Hmm.
that, YouTube is the one of most things, most platform where we can search any things, any material of learning, and we can learn easily
Hmm.
anything and any time. So this is platform
Yeah,
is very good, and this platform help a lot of people. So a lot of people they
absolutely.
every day learn with the YouTube, and they along with the YouTube. So this is a
Mm-hmm.
good and good way. And after that, like we are learning, so this process is very long. So
Mm-hmm.
we don't need to take any coaching class because it's a long
Yes,
process.
yes, yes.
Even
I'm happy.
even
I'm happy.
teachers.
Really happy. You also thinking like me.
Mhm.
You also
Even
thinking
teachers,
like me.
yeah, yes, brother. Even teachers, if we get any subscription of anything, so that time they say us. always keep practice, always keep practice, always keep practice. They don't have any type of medicine. Only they
Mm-hmm.
suggest you, they advise you. Only they say you just like keep practice and keep talking, keep talking. And
Mm-hmm.
sometimes they ask you, they say you just focus on little bit grammar also. But
Mm-hmm.
they give you only
Yeah.
tips and tricks. Yeah. Yeah. So I think about me, I think about this. This is only waste of money and waste of time. Suppose if
Yes.
you take
Yes.
any coaching class, so that time this coaching class is not near of your home. It will after 2 kilometer or 1 kilometer. Then you go on there. So that time you lost your time and after that
Yes.
money also. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
So this
Absolutely.
thing
Absolutely.
I dislike. I dislike these things, and after that I'm learning free of cost learning. I'm taking.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
We are as a beginner, we are learner. We fail lots of difficulty, but we never give up. It is our motive, and we definitely, inspire some of new one who also learn, who also get confident in. They watch our video, then they feel happy because we are speaking very well day by day. Then everyone can speak very well. So it is the best method of learning. But suppose
Yes,
anyone
yes.
want to speak in just 1 or 2 months, 2 months time,
Mm,
it is not possible because we know what is the time it takes. That's why we need to more
yes, yes.
practice. We need to more spend time. That this is the way we can learn. We can
Mm,
try to speak to everyone because it is mandatory how we
mm.
spend our time with anyone to learn this skill.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. So just you have, I think, made one talk before me. So that time on voice or video. Just right
Voice.
now, you was busy. I think you just left message me.
Okay,
I am.
okay, okay. Actually, someone calling me. He's
Mm,
from Odisha.
mm,
He also want to talk with me, and
mm.
I try to speak with him. But that video is not good for uploading
Uploading.
purpose because
Mm,
that video is network issue. He's not
yes.
showing properly with that
Okay.
videos. That's why I regret him. I stopped him because we are not comfort. We are not feel happy while talking
Mm,
because network is really difficult situation facing. That's why
mm,
that video is not effectiveness through any YouTuber.
mm,
That's
mm,
why I told him try to speak another time when you have a good
mm,
network phone. Then we can try to speak and we can again
mm,
connect to
mm,
each other. And we can discuss many things about learning. What is the benefit of English? We can discuss many things, but
mm.
still we uh, understand that that video is not effective. So we
Yes,
stopped
yes,
our
yes.
journey and try to speak with you. So it is also
Mm,
a great way of learning, and it is really really helpful for everyone because everyone want to learn how to speak, how to get confidence. Like
yes,
they
yes.
also observe us, then they feel happy because we are
Yes,
as
yes,
a
yes.
human being. We can do, then everyone can do. So
Mm,
you were like you told me you are still in Ghaziabad. Am I correct?
mm, yes,
Then
yes.
you are practicing, and then your surrounding people, what they are thinking. Maybe they don't know you are learning or you are
Mm.
speaking.
Yes, sir. They will think what I don't know. Lots of people everywhere is available. Like they
Hmm.
want to learn speaking English. So they
Hmm.
learn, but I'm not contact with the person actually at this
Okay.
time. Like
Okay.
surrounding lots of people, but I don't know. That's why.
Like
Mm,
you are working in a restaurant. You already told me. Then
mm.
your colleague or your all the stuff. What they thought about you.
Yes, yes. So actually they are only use Hindi, mostly Hindi.
Hmm.
And after that, sometime English, little bit just like a normal sentence, not proper. So that
Okay,
time
okay,
if you speak English, so that time just a normal employee, just our colleagues, and
mm-hmm.
they laugh and they make fun, just like
Okay,
he
okay,
want to make, yeah, he want to
yes,
become
yes.
angry.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
this time,
okay. I observe. I
yeah,
understand. Okay, okay. Suppose you will meet to anyone who is the person talk with you English. Such
mm.
types of any incident happen on that your restaurant.
No, but a customer always
Mm-hmm.
customer come.
Yes.
So like sometimes customer come only they talk in English only. Sometimes they
Mm-hmm.
use both language Hindi and English. So if I take order, if I understand anything to the customer, so that time
Mm-hmm.
if he speak in English only, so that time at this time I'm confidential. I'm understand and speak also
Okay.
and
Okay.
everything. But before in the past time, that time I was hesitate in front of
Yes.
customer.
Yes. Yes.
What he said, yeah, this type of thing. But and now I'm handling. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Uh, suppose you know you think how much time you will take, then you will be confident in English. If you have any system, if you doing such types of any system that I will be I speak or 5 months or 10 months or 1 year, then I will be fluent in that day.
okay, okay.
What
So
is your
just
opinion?
okay. So my experience and my opinion is this: just like if anyone is weak in speaking and other two things, just like reading and writing material, two things is a little bit strong. What is
Mm,
speaking is weak. So that time that person continue if he will continue practice, then after 6 months,
mm,
after 6 months, 100% he will very confidential and he will very comfortable in speaking English. English.
yes, yes.
Yes, after 6 months. Yeah, sir.
Okay, yeah, absolutely, brother. I'm totally agree with you. Yes, this is the way of learning English. This is the way of speaking English because, like, you are not speaking to anyone. You can't able to speak very well because this
Mm.
is the way. Suppose you were talking with me, then we both learning mutually. We are
Yes, yes,
speaking
yes.
well, and it is
Mm.
definitely give us result. We definitely talk very fluent in upcoming days.
Yes, 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 yes. So 8 days ago, one person called. So that person from India, but currently he lived, I think, Saudi. And
Okay,
he
okay.
was just he yeah he passed out eighth class and he called me. I think he called me and after that he just speak he spoke in Hindi first. So he told me uh,
Mm.
how can I get how can I speak in English and
Yes, yes, yes.
what should I do and
Mhm.
yeah what the tips and tricks
Such types
regarding
of
English speaking.
question coming through outside
Yes, yes,
your
yes, yes.
then you
What
feel
he, yeah, he,
you
told,
feel
yeah.
happy because
Mm-hmm.
you are also something working that may be helpful for someone. So it is
Mm-hmm.
great
So
way to
that time,
learn and motivate
mm,
someone.
mm,
Okay, go ahead.
yes, he was just speak in Hindi, and
Mm.
after that I understand him in Hindi language. So that
Okay.
time I gave the many solution that time,
Mhm.
and after that he was satisfied and he got the call after.
It
He
is
was satisfied little
okay.
bit.
Okay.
Uh,
Yes. Yes.
yeah.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
That you are doing both to work, like you are learning, you are
Mm.
motivating someone, and in this way
Yes,
you are helping someone. So
yes, yes, yes,
you are doing such a great work. This is
yes,
really great work for everyone because you know what is the benefit of English language. Maybe like who is the person like who talk to you with you, like so the person he know the benefit of English language. So
mm,
we are
yes,
advanced level, like who is the person coming to you and learning English language, and someone tips want to through you tips, but they also feel happy because
mm,
you
mm,
one step ahead than the other person.
yes, yes. So
Yeah.
I 3 and 4 days ago, one video I shooted. So that time I uploaded. That was based on why we should use Cambly and Clipping Go. That
Yes, yes.
why
I
we
I
should use.
also watched
Okay.
out. Yeah, I watched out that video. So that is
Yeah. So
really
that
good.
so
Okay, okay,
that
fine,
time
fine, good.
I yeah, okay. I told the people don't waste their time, don't waste money. Just go
Mhm,
natural English and no natural way and natural tips and tricks.
mhm. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So good, good, good,
Uh,
good. I'm happy. I'm happy. You are motivating someone. You are motivating new friends, new aspirant who want to learn. Then this is the best method of learning. This is the best method of motivating someone. This is the best method of teaching someone.
mm,
So we are
yes.
working both mutually.
Mm,
So I always
yes. Yes. Yes.
uh,
Yeah. Yeah.
observe you that you are also
Yeah.
working same field. So it is
Yeah.
really
Yes.
helpful
So,
for new friends. Okay, tell me.
mm, mm. One person was in my group, WhatsApp group. So before very long time, I was just made practice. But in medium time, in middle, I left practice with the person. So after I many video I uploaded. So I always share in the but so suddenly he saw my video and after
Hmm.
that called me. After
Okay.
that called me. He said you are doing great work. You just making video and you create your own channel, and after that you just like learning to the people, and you are self learning, and you motivate people, and you just great job and doing great job, and I'm very happy with you,
Okay.
and I
Okay.
want to talk with you. Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes. This
that person
this
was very
type.
happy, and
Yes. This moment
yeah.
is really happy moment for everyone because you are doing something special. That's why they are connected with you. This is really happy moment for you. Really happy moment for me because we are both doing something that is really effective role for upcoming generation. So it is great way. So maybe we talk another time. If you have a time, I have a time. We definitely talk to
Yes,
each other.
yes,
Okay.
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Mm, nice to talk, and I'm very happy with you. So we will
Yes.
meet again. Thanks.
Okay. Yes.
Have a
Yes.
nice day.
Happy nice day.
Uh,
Happy Holi, brother.
have a nice- happy Holi.